big black cat crossed my path. I thought that luck had passed me. I failed to see that big black cat was not after me. I broke my mirror, now I fear 7 years bad luck's here for me. I just couldn't see in that broken mirror I appeared to be. Now lady luck, no, not misfortune, just misperception which I am caught in here. I'm not alarmed, got my charm, and no harm will ever come to me. I'll never see that's not my charm, keeping harm for me. No, that big black cat's still not after me. In that broken mirror I appear to be.